Welcome back to Fun Flicks. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of vehicles. From the classic car to the futuristic spaceship, we'll explore a variety of transportation modes that keep our world moving. Car, a motor vehicle with four wheels, typically powered by an internal combustion engine or electric motor, commonly used for personal transportation. Bicycle, a human-powered vehicle with two wheels, driven by pedals and steered with handlebars. It's eco-friendly and good for short-distance travel. Bus, a large motor vehicle designed to carry many passengers, usually operating on a scheduled route, essential for public transportation in urban areas. Motorcycle, a two-wheeled motor vehicle that is fast and maneuverable, often used for both personal transportation and recreational riding. Truck, a motor vehicle designed to transport cargo. Trucks vary greatly in size and capacity, from small pickups to large commercial vehicles. Train, a series of connected vehicles that run on railway tracks. Trains are used for long-distance travel and freight transport. Airplane, a powered flying vehicle with fixed wings and a weight greater than that of the air it displaces, used for long-distance travel and cargo transport. Boat, a watercraft of various sizes designed to float, plane, work, or travel on water. Boats are used for transportation, recreation, and fishing. Helicopter, a type of rotor craft with one or more horizontal rotors, capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It is used for various purposes, including rescue and transport. Spaceship, a vehicle designed for travel or operation in outer space. Spaceships are used for exploration, research, and transportation beyond Earth. If you found this video informative and fun, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Fun Flicks for more exciting content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.